Hey everyone, today we're going to test ASUS ROG Harpe Ace Extreme, a cutting-edge wireless gaming mouse made especially for top-tier gamers. This mouse promises to revolutionize your gaming experience with its sophisticated sensor, sturdy construction, and incredibly light carbon fiber body. Let's take a closer look at all its features and potential. Harpe Ace Extreme is distinguished by its carbon fiber body, which maintains an amazing 47 grams weight while providing outstanding durability. In order to create flawlessly balanced and ergonomic design, Mouse's form was created in partnership with professional esports players. Additionally, it has Aura Sync-powered RGB backlighting in scroll wheel area, which allows for smooth synchronization with other ASUS-compatible devices. Because of their excellent responsiveness, these buttons guarantee precise and quick inputs while playing. Optical switches, which are rated for up to 100 million clicks, ensure durability and immediate response. The ROG Aimpoint optical sensor, which has a resolution of 42,000 dpi and a variation of less than 1%, is the central component of this mouse. This guarantees unmatched precision and steadiness, even during the swiftest motions. The sensor is extremely adaptable and so sophisticated that it can even work on glass surfaces. The mouse also has the ROG pointing rate booster technology, which allows for a polling rate of 8,000 Hz for unmatched responsiveness and low latency. Up to 98 hours in Bluetooth mode with the backlight off and 67 hours in Bluetooth mode with the backlight on. Up to 70 hours backlight off and 53 hours backlight on are possible. Additionally, the mouse utilizes ROG Omni technology, which simplifies setup by enabling many devices to connect using a single USB adapter. Regardless of your preference for FPS, RTS, or any other genre, this mouse is excellent at providing excellent performance. Headshots are easy in first-person shooter games because of the fast sensor response, which guarantees accurate aim and quick reaction. The glass feet provide precise control over big map motions and smooth gliding for RTS games. Multi-move combinations are simple to execute because of the sensitive buttons and ergonomic design, and for added convenience, the scroll wheel runs smoothly and softly. This program helps you get the most out of your gaming experience by enhancing stability, precision, and reaction time. ASUS suggests using the ROG Hone Ace mousepad in conjunction with the ROG Harpe Ace Extreme for optimal performance. This pad has the following features: a surface coated with nanoparticles for flawless gliding and accuracy, robust design with edges that are sewn nicely. For first-person shooter players, this mouse pad is revolutionary because it provides a solid foundation for accurate control. For professional gamers and enthusiasts who appreciate comfort, accuracy, and quality, ASUS ROG Harpe Ace Extreme is a complete instrument, not simply gaming mouse. ROG Harpe Ace Extreme is worthwhile purchase if you're searching for gaming mouse that offers performance, robustness, and customization. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this review. For more in-depth reviews, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave your thoughts in the comments section. I'll see you in the next review. Have a nice day and God bless you.